Hello there. So we've already told you all about the brand new Quantum2 MT trucks. Now I'm going to tell you all about the low and sleek XT version. So what is the Maverick Quantum2 XT? It's the truggy version of the Quantum2 MT. Truggies are the RC version of monster trucks, but are designed for racing. So the Quantum2 XT is similar to the chunky MT monster truck, but it's sleeker and slimmer. Just check out the new, low-profile, racing-style body that looks fast and extra cool. It's got a racing rear wing, plus new wheels and tires from Treads. The Quantum2 XT is available with a standard brushed motor or with a super powerful FLUX brushless motor for massive top speeds. So just like the Quantum2 MT, both the FLUX brushless version and the standard motor versions of the XT are available in 2 different colors each. So there's 4 different versions to choose from. For the brushed version, you can choose from the classic Maverick Blue or extra bright orange. And if you've got the need for speed and go for the FLUX brushless version, you can choose from intense red or wild green. Now let's start with what you can see from the outside. Of course, the first thing that you notice is just how cool and awesome the new Quantum2 XT looks. The sleek racing-style bodies are molded from real polycarbonate plastic, not stiff plastic like you'll find on other trucks. The Quantum2 XT bodies are extra tough and will last a long time. Like all Maverick RC cars and trucks, they're pre-painted, so you can just plug them in and go right out of the box. Plus, there's lights. There's front and rear lights with a real working brake light, and you can turn them on and off from the transmitter. The huge racing wing at the back helps keep the Quantum2 XT planted at high speeds. Plus, it's flexible, so it won't break easily if you crash. The Treads mixed block tires are brand new and fitted to new 10-spoke 2.8-inch wheels, front and rear. The adjustable wheelie bar gives you an idea of just how fast you can expect the FLUX version to be. Underneath, the chassis is smooth, with countersunk screws and angled sides, so you slide right over obstacles. Here, you can see the fully independent double wishbone suspension, front and rear, plus the oil-filled coilover shocks on all 4 corners. When you take the body off, you'll see just how much the Quantum2 XT is completely new for Maverick. So as you can see, pretty much everything is brand new. The FLUX version has this huge metal brace connecting the front and rear shock towers. It's not just there to look cool. That brace helps beef up the chassis and control the flex front to rear. Underneath the brace is the drive shaft that powers the front wheels. At both ends of the drive shaft, under these bulkhead covers, are tough, metal 4-gear differentials. And under this cover is a dual pad slipper clutch, which helps protect the drivetrain from hard landings and acceleration. Just look at how thick each suspension arm is. And here's the racing-inspired one-piece suspension uprights and hubs. This truck is made for performance. The electronics are waterproof, so you don't have to worry about water, mud, or snow. So you can definitely have fun in the rain or splash through puddles with the Quantum2 XT. But remember, that doesn't mean you can drive it fully underwater. Both the brushed and FLUX brushless versions can use the latest lithium polymer batteries, and they're both fitted with these high voltage XT connectors for maximum power. And the brush versions even include this handy adapter to let you use non-lithium batteries. The radio is also an all-new design. And of course, it's 2.4 gigahertz to practically eliminate radio interference, with a finger trigger for throttle and a real steering wheel design, just like full-size trucks. The Quantum2 XT is going to be the choice for fast speeds, jumping action, and all-around bashing fun. So which one are you going to pick?